This question asks us whether or not it's possible to form a primary haloalkane under radical halogenation conditions. The answer is no, it is not possible. Let's take a look at why. If I wanted to form this alkyl halide under radical halogenation conditions, I'd need to start with an alkane. Let's take a look at what that alkane would look like. We'd have 3 carbons and then the cyclopropane, or cyclopentane. This will be the alkane starting material we would need to form this alkyl halide product under radical halogenation conditions. But let's take a look at this. If we didn't know what the product looked like and we were just looking at this starting material and reacting it with radical halogenation conditions, we know that radical halogenation is selective for the most substituted carbon in the starting material. That would be this tertiary carbon here. The carbon radical would form at this tertiary position, that would be the most stable, and would not form at the primary position. Because this reaction is selective for the most substituted carbon, if I started with this alkane, I would not be able to form this product. So no, we cannot form primary alkyl halides under radical halogenation conditions.